everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day. Y'all know the drill. Whatever in the title. It's actually a Tuesday. I'm on my lunch break right now. Y'all, yesterday, what happened? Yesterday, was Monday and I was having an off day. I was just tired. It was the first Monday back after Thanksgiving holiday, so I was tired yesterday. I just felt off. I got me some good rest last night, and then this morning I felt good. I felt energized. I was I even went to the gym yesterday too, and I hadn't been to the gym in a couple of weeks, but I pushed through and I went to the gym and came home, took me a nice shower, ate dinner. I passed out pretty early, so this morning when I woke up, excuse me, I just finished eating. This morning when I woke up, I felt really good. And then I got to work, and then it's just been an annoying day. So, yeah, that's where I'm at right now. It's one of them things. It's one of them things where it's something that's just out of my control, but I'm in the middle of it. So I have to facilitate the back and forth, but I'm just the middleman, and everybody got questions. And so, yeah, I'm kind of over the day. I hope the glare isn't too bad. The sun is on my left side, and I know it's a glare on my end, so hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, I just wanted to get on camera today. I think a lot of these vlogs will be chit chat with me in the car running my mouth, since that's what I do. So yeah, today I wanted to talk about Christmas, because honestly, I'm not really in the Christmas spirit. I mean, it's still early in December, but it doesn't feel like Christmas. I'm still trying to get over the fact that the year is about to be over in a couple weeks, but I don't know. I'm just not I'm just not really in the Christmas spirit. Me and my mom were talking about it this past weekend, and we both are kind of just Christmas is I don't know. Everyone I talk to, nobody's really feeling it. In my family, we're kind of hit or miss. We have some Christmases where we go all out, and then we have other Christmases where it's just really chill and kind of quiet. And I don't know if you guys know, so I have 2 nephews and a niece. Normally our Christmases are kind of surrounded around them. When we do things as a family, Christmas is always kind of centered around them. So I feel this year they're going to be with their mothers, which is kind of well, the kids not going to be here, so we might as well not do anything. So I think that has a lot to do with it. On top of that, I just don't feel prepared. Christmas, I don't know. I have some years where I have gifts in mind. I have everything planned out ahead of time, and I have not did that. And I feel if I do kind of get any gifts, well, honestly, I'm kind of at the point I've been telling people I don't think I'm buying nobody a gift this year, just because I don't feel like it. But I probably will still get the kids something, but I just didn't prepare, and I don't want to wait until 2 weeks before and I'm scrambling trying to pick up random stuff. And I was telling my mom, I was honestly, I'm at a point in my life where I don't have kids. So I think maybe once I have kids, it'll shift again. But I'm kind of at a point in my life where I don't really care about the gift exchange. I don't really care about the gift giving. I'd rather us plan something as a family, do a family outing and just, spend some family time, go do something and go out to dinner, or, that's kind of where I'm at. So I don't know. I might look up some stuff that's going on in our town this month and plan it out. Maybe it won't be on Christmas, but around Christmas. It's something we can do kind of as a family, and I'm okay with that. I'd rather spend money on an experience than spend money on a gift that's meaningless or that I'm not gonna really be tripping off of. Because honestly, anything that I could tell somebody right now that I want for Christmas, I can go out and get it myself for the most part. I don't think we should wait until Christmas, honestly, to do nice things for each other. So, I don't know. This year, I've kind of been buying people stuff here and there to show gratitude throughout the year. A lot of times, and I know sometimes it's financial. So if you cannot afford to do anything until Christmas, then by all means, I'm not knocking that. But I've just kind of reached a point in my life where it's I'd rather show gratitude and do things for you throughout the whole year, do little bits and pieces here and there, than run out at the end of the year and try to get you something that you don't really care about, or you know, that's just kind of meaningless. So yeah, I don't know, that's kind of where I'm at. Also, me and my cousin, we were talking about like planning just like this was maybe 2 weeks ago. I'm like, you know what, we should just plan a trip. Not for Christmas, but like for New Year's, just last minute plan a trip. Like I just want to go somewhere, honestly. And I don't know, my cousin is trying to talk me into it. We were thinking about going to Atlanta for New Year's, but them ticket prices and plane ticket prices, they weren't terrible. And then Southwest got a deal right now where they're slightly cheaper, but they still not at the price where I want them to be at. So I don't know, we might do something on the West Coast, because that'll probably be easier to plan and a little more affordable. But yeah, I don't know, I low-key just want to book a last minute trip and just end my year like that and have some fun like that. Like, yeah, I'm not really in the Christmas spirit or the Christmas, yeah, that's not really my vibe right now. And then Janae, my friend, who you guys seen on here before, her birthday is actually the day after Christmas, so she was talking about planning a little something kind of local, so it's not too far for us, but I'm still waiting on her to give me those dates so I can plan accordingly. But yeah, how do you guys celebrate Christmas? Like, what are your traditions? How do you guys normally celebrate Christmas in your family? Is it centered around like gift exchange, or is it just like centered around like just family time? And yeah, how do you prefer to spend your Christmas? So yeah, I might end this right here, because I don't know if I'll get back on camera today. Gotta finish out this day at work, go to the gym, and relieve some stress or something. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and again, comment down below on how you like to spend your holidays and what your Christmas traditions are. And yeah, bye guys, see y'all tomorrow.